closer. I'm about to go out just to do some errands. I was thinking of doing a makeup look for you guys. If I do things the wrong way or the way you don't like it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna start with the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. I've used this forever. This is literally my favorite. Usually I don't use foundation just because I feel like it always breaks up on my skin and like it doesn't look good. So I just put concealer right here, right here. I literally just do it really quickly because it's literally the same thing every single time. I've been using the Beauty Blender recently. So yeah, I just blend this out. I'll put some of this on my eyes too. And then I'm just gonna blend this out with my fingy. Micro brow pencil, I don't know. And shade, I think it said, oh, chocolate mousse. And I'm just gonna fill in the little empty areas just because before I bleached my eyebrows, I did thin them out. So I kind of bleached them so that like once I dye them back, I'll have like fuller eyebrows because they always grow like all over the place. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill those in. Okay, I feel like they're looking a little bit blocky, so I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit. Okay, that's good, that's fine. And then I'm just gonna use this one, 35B, because it has white in it. And I'll probably start with this color. Doesn't have a shade name, but that one. Like a bony color just to start for the base. And like, I'm not really good at eyeshadow, so don't shit on me, please. Okay, I think that looks fine. I'm gonna do the bottom a little bit. I'm using the white color now. But I'm just going all over my lid. It's looking okay so far. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. I think maybe I'll do this one in the crease, and then I'll do this one. I don't know. Let's just try it and see what happens. I'm gonna do this one now, Mercury. I'm just gonna put it like in the outer, whoa, that's a little dark. Outer corner, I'm gonna do a little V. Mini. See, like that's building some dimension right there. I'm probably gonna do some more white because I feel like this is covering it a little bit. I'm gonna use this smaller brush for the crease again. I'm gonna blend in the crease. Use the packing brush again, and then I'm gonna do the white. I'm gonna do this small brush, and then I'll do that same Mercury color. And I just did the outer corners with the same color, the mercury, and then underneath. And do it on the other side. I'm just gonna do the inner corners. I'll just use this eyeliner. I don't know, it's just some random eyeliner. I'm gonna do, just gonna do thinner line, I think. Slay. I'm gonna add a little more concealer to my cheeks. Just to cover up a little bit. I'm a little bit red on my cheeks. So I'm gonna use the roller lash. I always switch between this one, the Giorgio Armani Lash Paradise. Oh my god, it's all ruined because my dog literally stole this and bit the whole thing. But I switched between these three. Right now, I'm on these two because that one's all fucked up. But I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do this one and then I'm gonna layer it with the Giorgio Armani one. And what I usually do is I'll look down so that I can get like a lot of lift. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. It's fine. I'm gonna have to put setting powder on the bottom though. I should have done that first. I'm gonna do that really quick. Just because my skin is oily, so like usually my mascara will come off and then start going onto my eyelids. I'm gonna do the top lashes with the Giorgio Armani again. I'm gonna do a little bronzer. I just used the NARS. This is a little sample thing, I think, in Laguna. Do my forehead because I got a big ass forehead. I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if this exists anymore, but it says, "I'm quite tipsy." I don't know which lip to use. Maybe this one. It's called Sweet Tea by Morphe. That's usually how I do my lips, like that. Okay, and then something else I like to do usually is I like to take a brown, like a dark brown, and I like to put it over my beauty marks, because some of my beauty marks are tattoos, I'm not gonna lie. So they do fade over time. Or some of them I've just darkened with like tattooing. I just feel like this adds on to the look so much. Like, look how much beauty marks elevate the look. It's a slay. Okay, y'all, this is a finished look. I love the way it turned out.